Hello everyone and welcome back to the Belgian Beer Brothers channel. Cedric here in Antwerp with yet another brew review, and today, as promised, we are going to look at the alcohol-free version of het Kalf that we tried yesterday, the Golden Blonde for the Netherlands Film Festival. I'm very curious for the comparison here, because the label looks practically the same, only the orange tints got replaced by pink, but we still have the golden calf, the golden Vandestreek logo, and this is a less than a half, but I do find it funny that this is a calf and a half. Yeah, what to expect? It has the exact same explanation on the back, only different ingredients, being water, barley malt, hops, coriander and lemon peel and yeast. So no gold flour, no calendula. I think that yesterday's beer also had wheat malt, so this is just barley, no flowers and lemon peel instead. So I'm very curious for this. That tells me that it is gonna taste different, but hopefully it is gonna taste just as nice. Again, the Vandestreek glass. This is actually a very heavy, sturdy glass. I love it. Right off the bat, this is also Golden Blonde, but darker. So yesterday was Golden Blonde, but slightly paler. This is rather dark, a bit more caramel colored, so nearing the orange side or the copper side, but I'm still gonna call it Golden Blonde. Nice carbonation, just as well. Nice head of foam. Pretty smooth, less yellow, more beige than yesterday. Looks nice. Oh yeah, that is completely different. If I smelled this in a blind tasting, I would actually guess that this was alcohol-free. Which is funny, because most of the time in Vandestreek's low alcohol or alcohol-free beers, I can't really make the distinction. They are that good. Smells malty, smells a bit sweet, like wort. And I do get a very, very subtle pinch of lemon in there from that lemon peel. Okay, this actually does taste as expected. First off, it is rather thin, and it's not sugary, but it is slightly sweet, pleasant sweet. It is sweet like wort, but not that extremely sweet. For everyone who ever tasted wort, it's not like that. It is tinned down wort. It has some nice carbonation. The effervescence is very pleasant. The mouthfeel is thin but very, very likable. And I mainly get malt like wort, and that pinch of lemon peel. So it's completely different than yesterday's beer, than the original Kalf, but it is still quite nice. A very welcome change if you have to drive, for example. I do think that this misses something, like a bit of punch. Like they might use a bit more coriander, for example, or a bit more hops. But apart from that, I still like this. And the after flavor is relatively thin, but very nice. I think it's not fantastic, but I would not hesitate to order a second one of these, for example. I think I would give this a 3.25, probably. Yeah, 3.25 it is. So let's keep it at that. Let's make this a short one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment down below, hit the thumbs up, share a video if you want to support me, visit the Patreon page if you want to support me even more. And yeah, I will see you guys again tomorrow with another Vandestreek beer. Cheers, you guys.